Shakas, aloha friends, crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm here today with just a really quick share. I made this MEMORYDEX and it's for a subscriber celebration for Naomi sSheShed. Her challenge has ended, but I've been running a little late and I still wanted to help her celebrate, so this is my entry. I did get this die here from 10 Craft Store on AliExpress, and that is the die that I used here. And it's just Tink. It says Believe. I put some Winka Stella on her wings as well as the word. She is set up on a rosette, crepe paper rosette. And I just tucked these gold floral leaves behind her. I'm just adding more dimension a little. I don't know why. But so that's the back. Or the front, I guess. I'm not sure. And then I just included some goodies to help her celebrate. And this is what I have my information on. So yeah. So just a really quick share. Hope you guys are having a crafty day. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. And until my next video, shakas!